this a Phaeton? Yes, it is. VW Phaeton. Oof. That's a rare bird. Does well in Europe. Does terrible over here. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous luxury car put out by VW. Why? I have no idea. Asking $8,500 or best offer. It's probably the W8. What's under the hood of the Phaeton?
That's the 8.
Very nice, very nice. God, if it's in Europe, you'd triple that price. So
Yeah, probably should ship it over.
there you go.
Advertise it there, have them pay the shipping.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
And buy it.
No problems. They are gorgeous.
It's got aluminum billet hinges.
Aluminum billet hinges.
And watch this. And look at the finish and fit.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Jeez. You know, I would be honored to be a body in this trunk.
Yeah, especially young little Germans. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Look at, and of course we don't want any dirt exposed that we don't need.
Mechanisms.
That is fantastic. Boy.
Did you ever see a back seat?
No.
No?
Wow.
Behind the pole.
The screens and such.
Yeah. What year is it?
05.
05.
Seats have heating, air conditioning, and massage.
Wow. So front and back.
Front and back.
Wow, I wonder how he did. 95, did they have the filter chips? Or did they have the little tubes you couldn't?
Power door locks. Oh, geez.
Are there coolant lines going to the...
They have little passages built into them.
Now with the air ride.
Yeah.
Is
There
it
you go,
true
with
that
the air
the
ride.
Citrons could like tilt the car so you could change the tire? Like,
No. What it is
not
that
true?
you lift the suspension, put a fixed stand underneath, lower the
And then lower it back
suspension,
down.
and it pulls the tire up. The affected tire. And you could drive a sit on 3 wheels. You don't need all 4.
Well, it saved the prime minister of freaking France that one.
France,
time.
yeah.
They were shooting at him and blew out a couple of tires.
Didn't matter. It's a Citroën.
I love the stories that people make up.
Yeah.
But I think they really did try to shoot him. Wow, that's a nice trunk.
Oh, these things are amazing. Just totally ignored in the States.
So, shit, this would replace my Prius.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Is this a W or is this a V?
This is the V8.
V8, not a W8.
No, the only thing that used the W8 was the facade.
Okay.
And they did put the W12 in these.
Yes.
A few of them.
Yeah. That was the big dollar. That was 123.
Yeah, but this one's just under 90,000 new.
Yeah, the bargain.
And this is V8.
That's
It's covered
gorgeous.
at 155.
Explain W.
Now, how does it feel in triple digits? Because I know you did it.
Like you're going 60.
Yeah. That's amazing. I love it. And knowing, I mean, just looking
had
at
a new Corvette back off at 145.
Oh, nice. Nice. And does it have the optional Avita Zane in the back?
I wish it did.
Yeah, right? Oh, that's cool.